Hello, I'm in a 2008 Chevy Tahoe, and today I'm going to show you how to open your hood. So first you go on the driver's side here, and you look down by where your left foot would be. You should see a lever here with a little tension that you pull. That pop sound was the safety releasing. If there's no tension at all, you might need to go inside here and address these cables to make sure everything's connected and tight. We'll go up to the front now. And then most vehicles, your release is towards the middle, but this should be loose now. And then your lever here, you're pushing this way and then lifting up. So we're pushing and lifting. And there you go, there's the hook it hooks onto. And this is that mechanism here. If you're having issues with this part, maybe you need some WD-40 or some gunk cleaned out of here. Sometimes if your hood's out of alignment, that might also cause this to not function properly. In worst case scenario, these parts are fairly affordable to replace if you need this or the cables redone. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.